ministry. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Wagalla District, February 10, 1984. Reports of fatal violence have been confirmed recently. The cause of this event is yet to be known and is currently under investigation. All residents must remain calm and avoid panicking, as it will not make your situation better. Seek an indoor shelter immediately and do not leave until further official news has been provided. All outdoor ventures or travel are strictly prohibited. If you cannot find a shelter, move to a different safe area. Communication and electrical services may be cut off until notice. Security forces will restore safety when possible. More news will be announced soon. This has been a historical emergency alert. End of message.